This video is sponsored by epariksha.in.
But my daughter here is a very bold and very brave and உண்மையாக ஒரு குடும்பத்தில் ஒரு பொண்ணு. ஏன்னா ஒரு தாய்க்கு ஒரு தகப்பனுக்கோ ஒரு உண்மையாக ஒரு சகோதரிக்கோ ஒரு ஒரு கேரக்டர் லைஃப்பில் ஒரு குடும்பம்னு நிற்கணும்னா அதை ஜோவிகா கிட்டேருந்து கற்றுக்கணும். ஏன்னா இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஸ்ட்ராங்கான ஒரு தில்லான ஒரு பொண்ணை நானும் 15 வருஷமாக இந்த குழந்தைய வளர்க்குறேன். பிறந்ததுலேருந்தே ஷீ இஸ் ஸோ ஆனஸ்ட் அண்ட் போல்ட் and she doesn't care a damn for anything. She is very, very strong and beautiful child. She wants to say something because avalum konjam hurt aayirka. She's still standing up for me and will always stand up for me. So if you have a problem, try to go get a child like me, like I have. Otherwise, bugger off.
I just wanted to say one thing. I've expressed what I feel to my own mother through my own social media, through my own name, and many people think that it's you behind the screen, and they think it's not me because I'm too young to speak like this and I know nothing. I just want to say for 10 years I've been through a lot. That doesn't mean I've been through everything. I will go through more, and that is the truth. But I have been through a lot of things, and I know a lot of things, and I'm not going to lie about that. So I know now, for example, I'm writing in English, I'm writing you a poem. They're saying, how can a 15-year-old girl write this? And they're saying that it's you who's writing it. If a 15-year-old girl... But at the same time, they say that I should learn how to write like that, and every girl should learn how to talk properly and reply properly. And when they actually do it, they say it's not them. I don't understand that. She's so bold to talk about this from her own name in live. She's talking to you. Why would she even come behind my name and reply? I know what I'm talking about, and I will continue to talk about that. You can't judge me for talking, for supporting her, because I won't stop even if you tell me not to. But I just want to say I'm not being forced to talk about her, and I never will, and I don't think that anyone would do that to a person. If they do, they're not a person. So if you really think that it's not me who's talking, then I'm sorry, it is me. I'm sorry to tell you're wrong, but you are wrong. It is me who's talking, and I know what I'm talking about. I know who Papa is, and I know I've known him for a long time, and I truly am happy. And just because I'm happy doesn't mean I'm being forced to tell I'm happy. I'm honestly happy. So when I'm not, and please stop trying to make worse out of every situation. Like yesterday, I told that I'm happy to bring him into our little life with our friends and family. And everyone is saying, be careful, he might do something.
That is very wrong comments. I do want to actually address this. There were a few comments saying that சொந்த அப்பாவே இந்த காலத்தில் நம்ப முடியல, எப்படி நீங்கள் இன்னொருத்தர் ஐயோ நல்லா வாயில் வரப்போகுது. அப்போ ஒன்று பண்ணுங்க, நீங்கள் எல்லாம் கல்யாணம் பண்ணி குழந்தை பெற்றுட்டு பேசாமல் புருஷனை விட்டுட்டு போயிடுங்க. ஏன்னா புருஷன் தகப்பை என்ன வேணா பண்ணலான்னு ஒரு கமெண்ட் போடுறீங்களே, சொந்த அப்பனே நம்ப முடியறதில்ல. வாட் bloody nonsense cheap mentality you people have who write like that. இப்படியா எழுதுவாங்க? சாக்கடைங்க, அறிவு வேணாம். Sorry, but it's wrong. Why you polluting people's minds? Just because one woman comes and says Pombala Poriki, what is Pombala Poriki and child abuser? He also has a daughter, my daughter's age. So please don't talk something. என்ன வாய்க்கு வந்ததை பேசாதீங்க, ரொம்ப நல்லவங்க மாதிரி. சரியா? வாழ்க்கையில் எவ்வளோ தப்பு நடக்குது, முதல்ல அதை போய் பாருங்க. முடிஞ்சா உங்க குடும்பத்தை காப்பாத்திக்கோங்க. What she said was very right. It's very wrong to go and talk to children like that. முதல்ல இவங்களெல்லாம் தூக்கி சைபர் கிரைம்ல உள்ள போடணும்.
One more thing is, see, many people have told me, be careful, your mother is wrong and all this. I'm not going to believe that, because I've known her since I was a little kid. I've been through a lot with her, and I've stood by her, and I know what she will do, and she would never do that. And I'm not going to believe it. But at the same time, there are many other kids who are celebrity kids who are in the limelight too. If you, no, I don't, not everybody will stand by their mother. Some kids might get
Yeah.
think that what my mom is wrong. What you're saying is wrong. What if that kid tomorrow truly believes what you think is wrong, which what you think is right, when it's truly a false allegation?
Yeah, absolutely.
They will go
Absolutely.
against their own mother who's only trying to protect them and take care of them.
That's what they did to Srihari.
I know my brother. To be honest, I love my brother, but at the same time, I hate him. But that happened because of this. So stop talking unless you know about that.
Anyway, this is called family. Okay? This is an example of real family. No matter what, you stand by the person and really be there all out. I am blessed with a wonderful family. There was a missing piece in the puzzle, what Jovika mentioned in her write-up yesterday. It was so touching, it was so true. So I think we found it. Let us be peaceful. Let us, go through our problems our way. நாங்கள் லீகலாக என்ன சந்திக்கணுமோ அவங்க தானே சந்திச்சாகணும். நீங்கள் சும்மா பார்த்து படிச்சுட்டு கமெண்ட் அடிச்சுட்டு போயிருவீங்க. எங்கள் வாழ்க்கையில் நாளைக்கு கரண்ட் பில் கட்டுறதுக்கோ ரெண்ட் கட்டுறதுக்கோ ப்ரொவிஷன்ஸ் வாங்கி கொடுக்குறதுக்கோ நீங்கள் வரப்போகிறது இல்லை. நாளைக்கு என் பிள்ளைங்களை கட்டி கொடுக்கும்போது நீங்கள் மாப்பிள்ளை கொடுக்க போகிறது இல்லை. Children, no, they are not even, first of all, this generation children are not the kind of idiots that we all were. அவங்க வந்து ஒரு மாப்பிள்ளையை தேடி கண்டுபிடிச்சி அதெல்லாம் கிடையாது. They are வேற லெவல் திங்கிங்கில் இருக்காங்க. Let them live their lives. They know to take care of themselves. So take care of your kids and your lives, and please stop talking about me. And I'm very happy and I will continue to be. இனிமே நான் அழ மாட்டேன், அழ வைக்கவும் மாட்டேன் யாரையுமே, என்றைக்குமே.